How's it going, rednecks? I'm here at Silver Lake Sand Dunes with Disaster Transport, and right now I have the new Avalanche torsion bars in the front, the H2 coils with the dual shocks in the rear. All the doors are off, flag is on, my dad is ready, and I'm definitely ready. So I got the GoPro set up on the windshield there. We're gonna head out, see what kind of footage we can get. Hammer down hoe will be coming later, so hopefully we'll be able to get some good footage. We'll find some ramps or something. But without further ado, what do you say we take that thing, stir it up, and get out in the dunes?
Some of that postal redneck right there. Whoosh, gone.
If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, my life just feels so good. Every day, every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Know that I got you.
Well, rednecks, them moguls are really fierce on the left side of the hill. On the right side, they're not so bad, but the still is definitely steeper. And what I did right now is we did 2 laps. I took the camera off the windshield. I'm gonna try and put it right there, see what kind of angles we can get while we're still out looking for that ramp. So. Well, rednecks, I pulled the camera off the back. We've been 4 laps now, and I have yet to see a good ramp. So we're gonna fly around, find a good ramp. Hopefully by the time we find one, hammer down hole will be here and we'll get some more footage of that. So yeah, I guess stay tuned and see what we come up with.
Good jump, though. got some air that time.
Well, there we go, rednecks. After all day, we finally found a jump worthy of getting on video. And I did it about 8 times, maybe 9. I lost count. Now, Hammer Down Hole is going to give it a try, so we'll see what that looks like. Well, rednecks, what did you think? I think Jeremy here hit it about 10 times in Hammer Down Hole. I hit it about 10 times in Disaster Transport. This was definitely not an ideal ramp, but it gives you an idea of what these trucks are capable of. I guess if we find something else, I'll tune you into it, but otherwise, we'll see you out in the lot.
God, did you hit it? Yep, I see it blinking.
This is going to be really
It's gonna be really stable.
It's going to be real stable.
It's gonna be really good. We did that slower than normal too, so that made it even worse. Because we were coming in from an angle. Hopefully the other camera stays there. My favorite drop. Watch this video, you're gonna get sick. We'll use highlights from it. That'll be good. Yep. power. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that other camera now. I think we've had enough.
I think this is enough of this one too.
Yeah, I bet your arm's sore.
Man, oh man, Rednecks, you cannot wipe the smile off my face. We did one last lap in that thing, and we hit the biggest jump. Oh my goodness. But either way, that thing does great. Hammer Down Ho does good. He's getting loaded up right now. I'm getting ready to throw the doors on this thing and call it a day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work.